Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Synergy 1.0.
Morning.
Today, we all gather here to get some wonderful insights about the group, about what management is thinking about us, and about the future endeavors. So, without further ado, I'll hand over the mic to Ankit sir. Ankit sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. I can see a lot
Morning,
of.
sir.
Good
Morning, sir.
morning,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
ये अच्छा लगा बंटी मंडी के स्टाइल में फैमिली की तरह बॉम्बे ऑफिस बैठा हुआ है. I can see all of them in one frame rather than multiple frames. It's always good to see people like that. Great to see everybody today, bright and early, 10:30. Let's start here. So we'll try to make it efficient by trying to finish it in 1 hour. Obviously, I think a lot of you know me. Everybody knows me, and everybody knows कि मैं कितना fond हूँ बोलने के लिए और ज्ञान देने के लिए. So मैंने अपने सामने टाइमर भी लगा रखा है इसीलिए अपने को कंट्रोल करने का. But I think just taking it forward, I think this is the first time we're meeting after a lot of different unfortunate and different events which have happened in the group in the last 2 years. Obviously, COVID has been a very difficult phase for all of us in the last 2 years, personally, professionally. सबके लिए it's been a very emotional journey. And ever since June, ever since CMD sir's demise, obviously there were a lot of concerns, questions, which rightfully so, which a lot of people had in the team. And we used to keep hearing them. We used to keep trying to act on them. But there was also a time where everybody said, "Ki sir, you should address people and all of that." But I felt and we felt that I think we will do it at a time when we know that we've got a grip, right? We wanted to speak to people and everybody from all honesty and sincerity rather than कि बस मैं एक superficial दिलासा दूं जिसमें मैं खुद believe ना करता हूं, right? And so that is the time I think it's come that over the last 5 months, 6 months, whatever we've been able to achieve, I think when we look back, it is definitely very, very appreciable in our minds as the directors of the group, the way we've been able to move forward in spite of everything. Obviously, there are emotional moments like these where you do miss your father, but yeah, we have to move forward. So that was not the plan. Yeah, but just taking it forward from there, I'll run through a presentation which will take you to a small legacy of what our chairman has created. So obviously a wonderful journey, right? What Papa has created and left behind. And as Shobit and I have also said in the past in a couple of interviews which got published, that with power comes responsibility, right? So the whole Spider-Man, Superman, right? One of those superheroes keep saying that. So we understand the kind of responsibility we have and the kind of power we have as being at the helm of the group. And we are taking that responsibility very seriously, taking it forward from what has happened, right? So just moving forward, so the whole idea is how do we continue the legacy, right? And very clearly the values, the principles at which the group is created, it continues to be our guiding principle. I will take you through this presentation, some of those things, what a lot of you might know in pieces, right? But it's important for us where we are as a group today to know that and to be aware of what holistic 2D stands for. The other thing, a lot of people may have this whole fear about, yeah, things will change. Things will change. इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. Things will change, right? Things do change, and things are required to be changed because, unfortunately, the environment around us is changing. And this is something I've been speaking about for not from today, but for the last 5 years. But what is important for us as next generation, as people who are at the helm, not only us, but also the younger team who's getting added in every department, is for us to respect and understand the value of people who are here before us in the company, right? So the experience they bring to the table, as well as the energy we bring to the table, right? So you all have to understand and respect, as I keep repeating that, respect the experience which people who've been in the company for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years bring to the table. So we all think कि अरे आज ऐसा नहीं होता. A lot of things remain the same. Rather, 90% of the things remain the same. So moving forward, one of the most important things for us to keep balancing, and which we've done also over the last 5 months, is how do you balance the experience and energy to take things forward. So holistic 2.0, right? Balancing experience and energy. How do we take things forward? What remains same? What might change? We will know in time. One most important saying, as they say, ek aur ek 11, right? So one of the most important decisions and one of the most important things for all of you to know that Shobit and I are one, holistic group is one, and we continue to be one, and we will continue to be one. So एक और एक 11 होते हैं. उसी तरीके से adding all our directors, all 6 of us together is 1,11,111. But when you put it all together with all of you, what you see in this picture here, it is the infinity, right? The teamwork which can bring to the table, which we bring to the table, creates unity, creates infinity. And that infinity, as you can see here, is the H of holistic group rather, right? So it is all of us who together create holistic, who have created holistic group and will continue to create holistic group moving forward. Again, some important things for all of us to know. Some of you went through this during your induction in the company. But again, something which we really genuinely value. It is something very core to what holistic group stands for. These are these 4 pillars which we talk about. So innovation, technology, values, and sustainability, right? So we are here for the long haul. We believe in innovating. We believe in bringing technology to the table. We believe in our value system. So something which we have heard, you might have heard from me and in different conversations across the company, especially people who are maybe more in the middle management and junior management who do not get to interact with all of us on a daily basis. You all need to understand this one thing very clearly. हम गलत तरीके से पैसे नहीं कमाएंगे. हम गलत नहीं करेंगे. हम किसी को कोई कमिटमेंट देंगे तो उसको 100% we will honor it, and we will honor it even it comes at a cost to us, right? And any honor, any commitment given by all of you as holistic group representatives is something which we as management stand with, right? So it's not just the management gives that commitment, but also you as extended arms of us gives a commitment to the market. गलती से कोई गलत commitment हो गया, करेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे उनसे बात करके, लेकिन अगर नहीं हो सकता तो we will 110% honor it, even it comes at a loss. We understand that, and this is a very important value system which we all should understand and imbibe in our actions on a daily basis, right? So हम गलत नहीं करेंगे, हम गलत commitment नहीं देंगे, हम गलत तरीके से पैसे नहीं कमाएंगे. So this is something which is core to the way Papa has created, our chairman has created the group, and it is continues to be and will continue to be our very core principle in the company, in the group. And moving forward, again, a jargon which has become a jargon, but this fourth pillar of sustainability, something we actually started writing about 5-7 years ago. People are writing about it today, right? So sustainability, for example, the kind of business we got into with Nature Trust, the kind of development we're doing in real estate, the kind of work we want to do in holistic moving forward, of how we want to maybe potentially incorporate more sustainable raw materials. So sustainability and environment protection is something which is very core to us and something which we believe in as a family and as a group. So we will honor this and we will respect our planet for what it has given us. Again, a tagline or a vision statement for holistic group. ये हर जगह printed होता है, but I don't know कितने लोगों को पता था आज भी इस मीटिंग में कि this was actually a tagline or a vision. So holistic group vision is creating a better tomorrow. So this is core to what we do and something what I just spoke about, right? So creating a better tomorrow, whatever it entails, is something we believe in and we will honor and we will do. And all the actions, be it at holistic in stopping duplication, be it in Nature Trust, be it with Camveda or the Canva business, the way we're trying to create a more positive environment. So it's all about creating a better tomorrow, right? So we want to create a positive impact, not just by making money, right? Money, frankly, is a byproduct. Obviously, we are in business to make money. There's no doubt about it. Nobody is saying it's right or wrong to make money. I feel it's a right thing to do because with the kind of money a company makes or the kind of profits a company makes, they can create a positive impact to the environment, to the society in general. And this is something we believe in. We will continue to do that. And this is something, again, I want all of you to imbibe and understand this is what Holistic Group stands for, that we are here to create a better tomorrow. Now, I'll play a video for all of us. So what did we learn from this video? What are the key words? If can one or two just, Subbu, do you want to share? What did you see in this video? Anybody from the Bombay team?
I mean, when the seed is small, you have to nurture it. And once it becomes big, then it takes care of you. That's what I got from it.
And I would like to add one thing. Sustained in every involvement.
Right. Anybody else wants to add anything? Sayan, I can see you're edging to say something.
I heard the keyword seeds of faith. So you need to keep on believing in yourself and your abilities and the people around you. And sooner or later, it will reflect. I felt that.
Perfect. So exactly what I think Manoj said in a way, Raj said in a way, Sayan said in a way. To me also, I think when I saw this video, the most important message is faith. right? That you have to believe in yourself. You have to have faith in yourself, in the people around you. And in spite of whatever environmental changes or environment might be happening around you, if one believes in yourselves, then we can, the seed can truly blossom. It can become a tree. And today a seed is tomorrow a tree, and the tree finally protects you, right? So I think moving exactly with this thought, a lot of seeds were planted about in the last 2-3 years of the group. As a matter of fact, in the last 2 years, for a lot of people might know it in pieces, but you'll see a glimpse of what we've been able to achieve in the last 3 months, in the last 2 years, in spite of COVID, in spite of whatever has happened in the group. Just taking it forward. 1 second. Yeah. So actions and initiatives during COVID, and seeds implanted and started to bear some fruit. So talking with the first one, which is Camveda, started under the great leadership of Ish Uncle as well as Shobit and Mansi, Shobit's wife. They've been driving this company, something which started in April 2021 itself. So just not long ago, just 7 months back, you can see an absolutely amazing CAGR percentage, right? So 850% is the compounded annual growth rate number of this company at the moment. The number 2.75 crores might seem like 2.75, but please understand it's a 7-month-old company. What this has been able to achieve in 7 months is absolutely amazing. And something when we were discussing with Sandeep, he also pointed out that the fact that we have 6 stockists as well, 160 distributors within the 8 months, not 7, 8 months, it's an absolutely amazing, remarkable achievement. Again, in spite of COVID. Some photos of what the Camveda plant today looks like. Beautiful, right? So it is something which has come up during COVID, not before COVID, but during COVID. This plant is set up in Greater Noida. Today we have a team who are not only doing the B2B business where we're warehousing different chemicals, but also creating all these beautiful products which are now available on Amazon and a lot of e-commerce platforms. The second company is Nature Trust. So Nature Trust, again, something which we kind of launched in December last year, finally, after a lot of struggle, because machines were being imported and imports were not happening. The engineers could not come to India. But in spite of that, we were successful in installing the machines. So far this year, we've been able to get 3.7 crores of sales, and again, doing an ARR of 850% plus with a very, very healthy funnel. Something I did a review yesterday, and I have to keep telling the Nature Trust team that yaar thode aggressive kam ho, matlab thode wo kam ho, but they are so hopeful, they are so optimistic, which is wonderful to see, because this is one team where I see I don't have to push them, they have to push me ki sir investment lao aur karte. Investment lao aur karte. So yesterday also they were after my life ki sir ye check sign karo aap investment ka ki aur sale kar lenge hum to. So that is the kind of confidence we have with this product category and the way it's growing. Again, something which we should be all as Holistic Group people should be proud of. We are now the only Indian company to have all the globally renowned certification of compostability. And we are able to cater to companies and customers in Australia, Europe, New Zealand, US, Canada, anywhere and everywhere. Obviously, India. So interestingly, we're missing the Indian certificate here for some reason. CPCB, I just realized, Central Pollution Control Board. But the point is that Nature Trust in the short duration has been able to create the mark in the market where people know that we do not adulterate, which is a common problem in this industry, that we do not adulterate. And again, we stick to our values. We stick to our principles of sustainability and values and do the right business and still earn money and grow. So this is the second one. Again, some photographs of the factory, again, set up between last year and this year. We are expanding capacity. We've added we've just ordered a new extrusion line as well as a new cutting machine. And just about to order a few more machines. So this plant is again scaling up very, very quickly. We are looking at a multiple X approach, multiple X growth target for next year, which we've already started to discuss. So again, a business which has started to do very well, seed planted last year and started to show results this year. Next one, ThinkNext Village, our real estate project, something which have seen a lot of issues for whatever reason, a lot of compliance issues in the past from the authority. Finally, we shared that good news that we got our approval a month, 2 months back for construction. And the team has done a fabulous job, an absolutely amazing job. We have close to 150, 180 people working on site every day. This building, what you see at the bottom, has come up in the last 1 year. This is 2 years of work. This is genuinely 2 years of work. Last 2 years of work, 2 years of work has been done in the last 1 year. We've been able to execute this entire building, and we are doing another this size of building, which we will complete by March this year. So when people talk to us, and genuinely even experienced developers are talking to us, they think you are mad. That is their general reaction, that how can you say that you will actually do a completion in the next 6 months? And I'm like, we're going to file completion. And this is when they see this building also, they are amazed that in spite of whatever experience they may have, what we've been able to achieve as a team at Holistic Group is absolutely genuinely fabulous. Right. So this is a mixed use development where over time we'll be developing about 10 lakh square feet. Phase 1, 2.25 lakh square feet is coming up, and we'll be finalizing and be completing this by June this year. That's the target date, that March we'll be completing, and then by June we'll be filing all the documentation. Coming to one of the flagship, obviously, where majority of us are sitting, right? Holistic. In spite of COVID, some numbers to share. Some numbers to be obviously proud of, is that our domestic revenue is up, our IB revenue is up, our label number, you can see, is a very, very attractive number, security products, digital solution, packaging. What's important for all of us to understand, this number is against the same period last year. So obviously last year we had 1 or 2 months of disruption during COVID, 3 months of disruption. Similarly, this year also, the first few months of disruption during COVID. But in spite of all that, the private sector business for us has started to clearly show a very positive impact. And I would personally feel that the whole initiative of changing the org structure into NBD CRRs, existing business being managed by different people, new business being managed by different people, is something which has started to show beautiful results. And more importantly, the kind of customers we've been able to attract on the table, be it Honda, Dalmia, and a whole bunch of them with Action Tessa, and a whole bunch of them where we are actually at the last stage. The kind of brands we've been able to attract, the kind of sales funnel we've been able to build, and the visibility of all this data. The most beautiful part and the most confident part for me when I look at all the numbers together is I'm like impatient कि next year हो जाए. मतलब मैं impatient हूँ कि किसी तरीके से हम next year में jump करके पहुंच जाएं, जहां पे मैं ये दिखाऊं कि यार ये numbers अरे और भी बहुत अच्छे हो गए. Because that is literally what we are working towards, and that is literally going to happen. It's not something we're dreaming, it is going to happen. Because the kind of synergy and the kind of team I can see today, the kind of systems which are working at the back end, the kind of lead generation effort which is going on, the tracking which is happening, the calling which is happening by the pre-sales team, eventually sales takes over, the way they're pitching, the way they're talking, the kind of confidence they're showing, it is remarkable. It is something कि जो कहते हैं ना कि सीना चौड़ा हो जाता है, literally वो सीना चौड़ा हो रहा है आजकल मेरा. Right. And it was also wonderful to see the kind of camaraderie and the kind of one-manship or one-ship, I would say, which is also visible in the Bombay Zoom meeting right now, with all 6 of them sitting in one frame, right? And it was beautiful. We were there, the whole bunch from Delhi was there 3 days back, and everybody, it was like कि घर के लोग बाहर से आए हुए हैं, हम लोग कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में बैठे हैं, हमारे लिए कोई चाय ला रहा है, हमारे लिए कोई कुछ whatever वड़ा पाव ला रहा है, कोई चमचम ला रहा है. It was so beautiful to see the way everything was happening. It was literally one family sitting together and doing it. So I think that creates magic. That whole experience creates that oneness, that family feeling, and creates that magic. Right. So the way we are driving the systems on the back end and the way the team is working together and acting as one, I am confident that we're going to be creating magic. The next thing, some photographs of what changes have happened at the Greater Noida plant. These are some photographs, again, not sketches, actual photographs of what has already happened at the plant in the last few months. Some more photographs. So you have these banners at the top, you have these different things, you have a wall of fame, you have all the samples. We again had a wonderful visit by a potential client day before, and he was just very, very impressed. Obviously, see, we have amazing machines, we have amazing teams, we have amazing capabilities, but that whole little tadka, I would say, of marketing, when you put on top of it, it just adds to it and builds that confidence. And this is just a small flavor of what we've been able to do at the Greater Noida plant. And again, a great congratulations to the whole team who's been able to shift the hologram division from from Rudrapur to Greater Noida this year in April. I would actually request everybody to just unmute themselves and give the team a round of applause, because ये COVID के बीचों बीच हो रहा था. So Abhishek, Gagan, Navneet, everybody involved there wished, obviously Rideshji driving it. In spite of all this, right in the middle of COVID, this whole plant got shifted and got settled, which is really a remarkable job. So some photographs of that. Moving forward, Holistic Group Corporate Office, something we've been talking about. Again, planned image right there and actual image right next to it. So you can see the building is up. Obviously, because of the whole incident, right, the whole unfortunate incident of Papa, we kind of went slow on it in the last 3 months. But this building is obviously up. We plan to complete it by the end of this financial year and start doing our interior. So maybe mid of next year, odd is when we're looking at shifting towards July, August, hopefully. But obviously, concrete plans will be made. But the building is very much up. In spite of COVID again in the last 2 years. Then something which we saw again on a WhatsApp group, and I want to point out here something which we Janmujke have put these different images, right? So I want to point out at what we were able to achieve in 24 days. So we bought this plot on, I think, the 2nd of November or the 3rd of November. At 12 o'clock, the registry happened, what is written here. At 2 o'clock, rather, this was not 2, this was 2 likha hai, 1:30 pe we were on site with this thing to actually start cleaning up the site. Within the last 24 days, we've been able to create all the foundations. We've been able to put all the bolts for expansion of the plant, and we've been actually starting to mount the columns. This is 24 days of work. And when we bought this plot, everybody said, 3-4 mahina lagega, 6 mahina lagega. We said 2 mahina, 2 months. Today, and I promise here, today is 26th of November. On the 1st of January, we'll share images of the site. In 2 months, we will be able to complete this building, right? And the idea is that this financial year, we're going to be having the best metallizer of India getting installed at this very site in Greater Noida. So it's going to be it's the most advanced metallizer which Holistic has bought, and it is the most advanced metallizer which India has ever seen, which is getting installed in our capacity, in our plant in this year. Some small initiatives, but very important initiatives. Some initiatives which we took on during COVID from an HR standpoint. That PLI was disbursed. I think we're missing some images. 1 second. Some animation is. Yeah, sorry. So salary, first and foremost, in spite of whatever has happened, salary for everybody was given on time, every time, without any cut. And this was a very conscious decision by the management, especially our chairman at that time. He and I spoke. I still remember the telephonic conversation where we said that as a company, we can afford कि हम इस समय salary cut नहीं करें और हम salaries दें. लेकिन we cannot expect, or we never wanted our teams and our employees to suffer because उनकी EMI commitments होंगे. So in spite of whatever anybody might be doing or anybody might have done around us, and हम सबके friends and family में हमने ये story सुनी होंगी सैलरी कट की, हॉलिस्टिक ने नहीं सैलरी कट करी, हॉलिस्टिक ग्रुप ने नहीं सैलरी कट करी, हमने सबकी सैलरीज टाइम पे दी, इंक्लूडिंग 1st of June 2021. So 1st of June is when we lost our chairman. उस दिन भी सबकी salary time से credit हुई है, and this is something which we are very, very proud of, that for us, employee first, and this is something we really believe in, and we've done that. Second, for the people who had COVID, HR was managing this, and they managed this completely, that in the sense that every person got 15 days of leave, whoever had COVID, so we do not count those as leaves. Accidental insurance cover for all employees was taken. PLI was disbursed for Holistic India in August 2021. New PLI policy for the sales team was introduced this year. The third thing here, which impacted a lot of people, this was a positive thing we were trying to do for the people whose take home was less, right? So it was up to 5 lakh. We merged their PLI. We used to hear this feedback. We merged their PLI with their fixed, so that their take home increases, right? Obviously, this cannot happen for the entire organization. We've done it for up to 5 lakhs. The plan is to raise that bar maybe next year. Again, I'm not committing anything, but that we are trying our level best. So whenever we hear feedback, you might feel that, अरे बोलने से कोई फायदा नहीं है या कोई वो नहीं है. Trust me, that feedback stays with us. That feedback stays with, be it Sandeep, be it me, or be it any other director in the company. We take the feedback very seriously. We really try our level best to make it happen. Unfortunately, in a lot of cases, we are not able to implement it, because please understand that you may be looking at that subject from one person's standpoint or 10 person's standpoint. We have to look at that subject from a 300 people, 500 people, 700 people subject perspective, right? And the financial implications of decisions can be multifold and in crores for us, right? And we have to balance out whatever is happening in the company in terms of finances as well as decisions like these. And we try our level best to accommodate anything and everything possible. Again, free accommodation was with food to workers who shifted from Rudrapur to Greater Noida, along with shift allowance. Bonus in this year, in October 2021, to all workers were given exactly on time during Diwali. The new sales org structure was implemented, promotion increments were given, and different activities were started. So Pointer, some summary of the kind of initiatives which were taken during HR. With this, I'm going to end my presentation, and I'm very proud of the fact that I've done it exactly in 30 minutes, which I never expected. So in 30 minutes, I completed. Shashank na smile kar raha hai bilkul patisi ke saath ki ye sir ne kiya kaise. The point is that I have completed my presentation in 30 minutes, and with that, I'm going to now ask our different directors to begin with. I'll request Shobit to speak after this, and then we'll have our different directors speaking, and then in the end I'll conclude with a small something. Yeah, Shobit, I'll leave it to you now. And with that, so one small thing before Shobit takes over. As you can see, lot of initiatives, lot of action, lot of true with photograph delivered actions have been taken in the group, and literally abhi शुरुआत है. So that's where we are right now. I'm going to stop sharing. I leave it to Shobit now. Thank you.
I think we can. So good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to be with you today. I actually wanted to do this in person, but such are the times. So Zoom it is. I'm actually very excited to be alive. And I'm very, very excited to be in India at this time, because look at the evolution of technology. Look at the number of IPOs India has had in the past 1 month. I think we've had more IPOs in India in the past 1 month probably than in the past 2 years. Look at the digital currency. So, and we are blessed to be in India in an organization, in a group like Holistic, which is very, very aggressively growing, because India is definitely going to be a superpower by 2050. You look at any global leader talking about it, everybody has accepted that the next superpower in the world is going to be India. Obviously, there have been a lot of changes in the past 2 years at the global level, at the national level, and within Holistic as well. But I think the only constant with change which has remained is Holistic's growth. And, you know, despite of COVID, despite of change in the management, we have consistently proven growth, and that speaks for itself. I think the main reason for that to happen is the foundation. So you look at a building, whenever it is hit by a storm, it will not fall. It will sway left or right, but will not fall. Eventually, it will stand strong. And I think this is the biggest strength of Holistic. The biggest strength of Holistic is the foundation which our chairman and the legacy which he has left for us. The other strength which I feel Holistic has is the goodwill and the value system. It's in a business and an industry like ours, when I especially talk about Holistic India, then I think goodwill, integrity is one of the most important factors for any company, for any individual to grow. And be it our competitor, be it our supplier, be it our customer, everybody has one common aligned vision for Holistic. Confidence about Holistic is integrity. I think Ankit also mentioned in his opening speech about this, but I'm very, very proud to be leading an organization, to be leading a group which speaks about integrity, which speaks about value system. The other important thing which keeps us ahead of the curve is the access to global technology, access to the most advanced technology in the world, be it Nature Trust, be it Camveda, be it Holistic India Limited, or be it Think Nestle. Everybody, all the organizations have access to the best technologies in the world. And trust me, it's not easy. The innovators, the scientists who are building these technologies don't leave it open-ended, and it is not offered to everybody. The kind of mastering systems, the kind of image systems we have in Holistic, nobody else in the world has it. And that has happened only because of sustainable and constant growth and constant integrity, which the group has shown over the past 3 decades. For me, when I think about Holistic Group, so Holistic is like for brand security, for hologram, it's like what Tendulkar is for cricket, what Amitabh Bachchan is for Bollywood. When we think about these two personalities, we never question their value system. And this is exactly the way we would like to move ahead. We would compromise on our customers, we would compromise on the value of business, but we would never compromise on the quality or the integrity of what we are offering in the system. Having said that, I would just like to share some more experiences. I'm not giving gyan, I'm just sharing some experiences which has probably stayed with me over time. First and foremost, I think it's very important to be honest to yourself and to be honest with your customers, your vendors, and especially your colleagues. What happens, everybody gets into the individual game that, okay, I have to prove this in front of the management. I have to achieve this for my own individual growth. But what really matters is to be very, very honest and transparent with each other. If we all work as one team, if we share information transparently with each other, trust me, the growth is going to multiply. It's not going to increase percentage wise, it is going to multiply heaps and bounds. So, and whenever I started doing that, you ask anybody who's reporting to me directly, I'm very, very honest and very transparent with them. And this is what I would want everybody in the group to pursue. Be honest with your customers. If you can't deliver a particular order in time, be honest about it. Tell them logically why you can't do that. If you're talking to a vendor, make them explain that we want a specific product at a specific price, and this is the reason. So be honest, be transparent. I understand sometimes, a lot of, when I talk to people from other organizations, all I hear is excuses. All I hear is lies. But this is not the way we will work. Moving forward, I would want everybody to be very, very honest and very transparent in whatever work they might be involved in. The other thing is, I strongly believe in this saying, which is stay hungry, stay foolish. And when I say stay hungry, stay foolish, I literally mean that. I'll explain you why. When I say stay hungry, when you stay hungry, then you get growth. If you get complacent, then forget about growth in a professional setup. You can't even grow in your personal lives. So always stay hungry and always stay foolish. So what happens is when you stay foolish, then you're acceptable to change, then you gain knowledge, then that urge of learning is there within you, and happens only when you stay foolish. If you think that you're an expert of a subject, then that's it. That is the day when the downfall starts. So stay hungry, stay foolish. The other thing is, now what Ankit also mentioned, that in today's day and age, this is the time to perform. So there are two ways we can move about it. Either we can choose excuses or we can have results. There's no midway. So it's for you guys to choose whether you want to choose an excuse or you want to choose and deliver results. Having said that, let me promise you this, that if people deliver, then they will get back in return more than what they deliver. But if somebody is complacent, then Holistic is not the place to be. We don't want to be served by people who are complacent in their lives. We don't want to be with people who are complacent in their lives, personally or professionally. All of us have to be result oriented, and it's a choice, it's a decision which one has to make. There's nothing right or wrong about it. If you're complacent, then please don't expect growth. Please don't expect financial growth from the management, because that will happen only when you're not complacent. Also, we all need to work in tandem. When I see different organizations within the group, and when I see different divisions, different plans, different individuals, I feel somehow down the line, we are all working in our silos. We need to have better integration within ourselves. We need to support each other. We don't need to think about that this is, Rudrapur plant or Greater Noida plant or Chennai office or Delhi office. We are all part of the same organization, which is Holistic. Whenever you're representing Holistic in the market, then it is one team. Obviously, there are differences in opinions, there are differences in working of everybody, of every individual. But at the same time, when we are talking to an external person, then we have to stay united. And more importantly, when we are talking to each other, then we have to support each other. It's only when the company will grow, it's only when the group will grow, then the individual will grow. It is impossible for the individual to grow if the group does not grow. It's very simple, it's very logical. And I feel that now we have one of the best talents in the country. We are blessed with great minds. We are blessed with great individuals. We all have to put our synergies and energies in the right direction. And there's nothing that is beyond us after that. Last but not the least, briefly, I'll tell you a little bit more about the packaging expansion which is happening at the group. I'm very excited to announce that I'm sure most of us already know, and we've seen images also during the presentation. So we're shifting the packaging plant to Greater Noida. And one of the main reasons for us to do that was because the top management really wants to be involved in R&D. What happens is when you're managing a plant remotely, then a lot of energy is consumed in daily operations, in managing the existing setup. But when the plant is closer and the top management is sitting very close to the plant, then the best and the top management will be involved in every day's research and development of the packaging division. And that is the key ingredient for any company to grow. The metalizer which we've ordered has a technology called Alox. Now, do we have a market of Alox in India today? The answer is no. Is it a futuristic technology? The answer is yes. So, and the reason I'm pointing this is because we have always invested in future technologies. Holistic India will be the only holographer in the world, not just in India, to have a metalizer with Alox technology, to have a metalizer with ZNS, which is commonly known as HRI. So it's the best metalizer in the world. It's obviously one of the most complicated machines to be handled. So what happens is when a company makes a capital investment, and that too in a technology which is unknown, then you also have to upgrade the skill set of the people running it. And I see that as an opportunity, not as a challenge, because only when we have the best skill set amongst us that we'll be able to achieve what our competitors will not be able to achieve. So we always have to stay ahead of the curve. And this is the main reason for us to invest so much in new technologies. I would at the end, I would just like to thank each one of you for your contribution so far towards different companies within the group. I know that we are in very, very safe hands. I'm very, very confident of the way moving forward, of the path forward. And each one of you deserves to be acknowledged, deserves to be appreciated in your contributions to the group. We are today, whatever we are today is because of you. And I would sincerely like to thank each one of you for it. That's it. Thank you so much for hearing me out.
I think we can unmute ourselves and give a round of applause to Shobit, obviously, for speaking this, but for all of us for the contribution each one of you have shown, the dedication you have shown to the group. Right? With that, I'll request Alok Chachaji to speak a few words.
Good morning, all of you. I want to take few moments to share the thoughts on what lies ahead. Already, Ankit and Shobit has shared everything what is going on in the organization. We are marching ahead in the organization, and what best we can do, we are doing at this moment. Since I have got a privilege, no doubt the organization is changing. There are certain changes, certain people must be feeling it, heat of it. There is no need to worry. I have got a privilege of working with the founders, and I am also working with the new generation. There is one thing which is not going to change, that is the core value of the organization. Rest assured, the core value will never change. We have also considered everybody as a family member, all the workers and the staff who is working with us. Now this will continue. You will be considered as our family members throughout in our venture. I wish you all the best of luck. Keep marching. Thank you.
Thank you, Chachaji. Thank you. Now, moving ahead, can we have Sharad Chachaji speak a few words, please?
Good morning.
Good morning, Chachaji. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. मुझे लगता है हमारी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ हमारे मार्केटिंग में और ब्रांड वैल्यू में है, जिसको इन कैश करके आज तक हम प्लस और प्लस में चलते ही चले आ रहे हैं। स्पेशली जो सेक्शंस मैं देख रहा हूँ वहां पे मार्केटिंग का ही बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट दिखाई देता है मुझे। आप सब लोगों के साथ में हम बैकअप में खड़े हुए हैं, जैसे पास में थे वैसे आज भी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Chachaji. That was short and sweet, as you said. Thank you. I think obviously marketing is doing its bit, but obviously with production, अगर production नहीं करेगा तो marketing sales कुछ भी कर ले sales नहीं होगी, और finance accounts ठीक से maintain नहीं करेगा तो finally हम सबको वो पैसे profit में और salary में नहीं आएंगे, right? So it's finally the teamwork which is working. Everybody is doing their bit. And as I also shared, we all are very excited with the way जो sales funnel बन रही है, जिस तरीके से opportunities दिख रही हैं in the whole group, not just Holistic India, but also the whole group. I think there's a lot amazing things about to happen, amazing results we can see as you move forward. Moving forward, I'll request Ritesh to speak a few words.
I
think somebody has unmuted.
Banmali, you're unmuted. And please, everybody just check here if you guys are unmuted by any chance. And I'll request Ritesh to speak a few words.
Good morning, everyone. So today it happens to be a Thanksgiving Day. So let's start with thanking the universe first, and then a lot of people to thank you. Definitely you all, because of you all, we are here today. So let's start with thanking the universe who has empowered you. और मेरे साथ तो क्या है कि आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू वर्क विद अ लॉट ऑफ जनरेशन with Gupta ji, he has empowered me to think positively every time. वो मुझे बोलते थे कि तू कर, लॉस होगा प्रॉफिट होगा बाद में देखेंगे. And this is the energy which I've got from him. वो एक अमिताभ बच्चन का एक डायलॉग था, पिक्चर हम पिक्चर थी ना, उसमें वो बोलते, एक इंस्पेक्टर को बोलता है कि तुम लोगों ने ये दुनिया किताबों में पढ़ के सीखी है, हमने इस जुर्म के रास्ते पे रह के ये दुनिया सीखी है. तो मेरा वही हाल है, मैंने सब कुछ सीखा है इस कंपनी में और मेरी तरफ से हरदम आप लोगों को पूरा सपोर्ट रहेगा. ये जितनी हमने अभी बातें की, इनोवेशन, टेक्नोलॉजी और आईपीओस, वैल्यूएशन, आजकल सब लोग सुन रहे हैं हाई वैल्यूएशन गेम और सब कुछ चल रहा है. हाउ इट इज गेटिंग इट, मतलब फॉर द 90% ऑफ द टाइम आई एम स्पीकिंग टू एवरीवन इन द कंपनी, वी आर टॉकिंग ऑपरेशनल इश्यूज. जब मैं इन लोगों के साथ बैठता हूं, when we are talking to different people who are talking about the valuation game, they are only speaking strategies. How we can empower the company. So I never hear operational issues. वो कैसे आएगा? So everybody needs to think like a proprietor. Everybody has to think like an entrepreneur and start developing that thinking that operation तो चलो चलता रहेगा यार, operation तो रोज चल रहा है. But get into that strategic thinking, discuss strategies with me. Because in the past also we have been innovative and we have made a lot of mistakes because we have done all innovation from our mind. So I'll request everybody to start thinking strategically, give us your feedback that how we can actually grow this company to the next level. This is what we have for you for today. And one thing I learned from Manoj this time in Bombay, that everything happens in a blink of an eye. Manoj, it was blink of an eye, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was a very nice statement. मेरे को दिल पे लगा वो statement. And so that statement shows that we have to be very fast, very reactive in whatever we do. Kabhi don't wait for the opportunity, grab the opportunity when it comes. So few words, I hope everybody is clear. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ritesh Bhaiya. I think one thing we all can say about Ritesh Bhaiya or Ritesh ji, or I started to refer him as RR also in a lot of conversations, is that one man army, right? So knows it all, done it all, and as he said, zulm ke raaste mein main zulm ka nahi bolunga, main authentication ka bolunga. So yeah, so he's gone through the whole grind over the last 30 years of being involved in different functions and learning it with getting his hands dirty. I think that's the most beautiful part. And so taking it forward, I'll request Ish uncle. I can't see him. If he can speak a few words on behalf of Multicam, Camveda, and overall what he has to share to Holistic Group.
You will have to unmute yourself.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Ankit, Shobit.
Very good morning.
Information on the group's activities and the progress being made. I'm sure this will go much forward. And I know the CMD who's not here now since last 35 years. But I never knew that he would leave a culture of somebody working so hard. I can really see Ankit and Shobit slogging day in and out to take this company forward, where it should be in the long run. Thank you and God bless you, everybody.
Thank you, Ish uncle. Again, short and sweet. Obviously, Shobit and I are more visible, but everybody is obviously working and doing their bit and working very, very hard. But as they say, जब अपने पे पड़ती है ना, तो हिम्मत भी आ जाती है, right? So there is no doubt about it. It's been a very difficult phase. It's been a tough phase over the last 4-5 months for us as a family, emotionally, as well as for the company.
I can understand everywhere. It's been tough for everybody. I think he was well-loved man all over.
Right, exactly.
Talk to anybody who tell them, you know.
Correct.
He's always smiling. And my last discussion that we had great was of 100 crore camper plant. We just fizzled out at the last minute. It was almost through.
Correct. So it is something which we have not forgotten as his dream. I can just say that on a public platform also, that it is something which he really wanted, and we are aware of that. To the point that we will try to make that dream a reality whenever, as soon as we can. Obviously, everything cannot happen in one day, but it is there on the cards. It is something which we have not forgotten and or written off as an idea.
I'd just
Right,
like
so,
to add on that line. I mean, you know, obviously camphor plant is one aspect, but on the same lines, that is one of the driving forces for us to launch Camveda. And I'm absolutely 100% confident that Camveda will be the biggest camphor brand in India in times to come. Because not only because of the quality, but because of the common dream we all share.
We have Sandeep working on the job, and I think it should be his mission to make this as a 100 crore brand in the next 5 years.
I think a lot of things happens if we manifest and if we think about it. And now that, you know, we've spoken about it, I am 100% confident that it will be the #1 camphor brand in India.
The beauty is that now 200 people are thinking that. Earlier, maybe 5 people were thinking that. So exactly to everybody's point, manifestation works. What you dream becomes reality. And whatever visions we have for different companies, to the point where I was actually having a discussion with the strategy team, 1 or 2 people 2 days back, where I was telling them कि यार थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल भी करते हैं अपने को, बिकॉज सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो ही डिस्कशंस हुआ कि ये और कर लेते हैं, ये और कर लेते हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, जो चीजें हैं ना उसको पहले ढंग से कर लें हम. So exactly on Camveda, Nature Trust, Think Next Village, because on a real estate front also, to give you a glimpse, guys, that this is literally the first project for us. There is a lot which can be done in the group for real estate. And Holistic itself has a security business, it has a packaging business, it has a digital business. Digital business also, we are discussing very aggressively about how to scale it up, because we see crazy potential on the digital solution side for Holistic, and we don't want it to be a baby, because it's no more a baby. It is actually now easily a 5 to 10-year-old bacha who wants to start running, and wo running kaise karani is what we're discussing on the strategic level. Just taking it forward and kind of concluding things, I'll just open a few slides more and we'll just end it with that. I hope everybody can see the slides.
Yes.
Yeah. So just taking it forward, I'll just play a small video for all of us, something which I think we've already been discussing.
चलो बच्चे लोग, भागो भागो, जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ, जल्दी भागो भागो, जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ, अभी जरा ध्यान से सुनना. आज तुम लोग को अपना हॉकी स्टिक नहीं चाहिए.
नो स्टिक्स?
नहीं, आज नहीं. आज बस एक ही काम करना है. ये ईंटें जो है ना, वहां से उठाकर यहाँ रखनी है बस. ठीक है? लेकिन ठेले से लेके नहीं जाने का है, अपना हाथ का इस्तेमाल करने का है, समझे? चलो क्विक क्विक, चलो जल्दी, ठीक रखो, क्विक क्विक क्विक. चलो 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 जल्दी. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे. अब एक काम करो, ये ईंटें उठाकर वापस वहीं रख दो. आप जी सर क्या बोल रहे हैं?
कैसा मजाक है, हम यहाँ हॉकी खेलने आए, ईंटा धोने आए.
हम दादा इन लोग ऐसे ही भागम भाग करेगा या कुछ समझेगा भी?
कब नहीं समझेगा, करता रहेगा.
वापस लेके जाओ. सर नहीं सर, सर नहीं. कोई सवाल?
नहीं जी, करते हैं जी. Come on boys, come on, उठाओ. एक मिनट, हम लोग कुछ तो गलत कर रहे हैं. ऐसा करो, यहाँ से लेके वहां तक एक लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ.
लाइन फॉर्मेशन. समझे तुम लोग? सिर्फ ये मेहनत और कोशिश और टैलेंट से कुछ नहीं होता। काम आसान होता है टीम वर्क से। मैं तुम्हें जितनी भी ट्रेनिंग दे दूं, लेकिन जब तक तुम में एकता नहीं होगी, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट नहीं करोगे, जीत नहीं पाओगे। जीत के लिए
So with that message, I think the only thing left to say is that today is day 0 for us. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost, right? And teamwork creates magic. So let's all work together, create that magic, do that teamwork, and literally anything is possible. Anything is possible. We are here 110%, rather 200% to support you. वो दिन हो या रात हो, वो वीकडे हो या वीकेंड हो, हम लोग 110% आप लोग के पीछे हैं. एंड एज आई सेड अर्लियर, आप लोगों का कमिटमेंट टू द मार्केट हमारा कमिटमेंट टू द मार्केट है. सो लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट. एज शोभित वाज शेयरिंग, let's manifest, as Ritesh ji said. Let's thank each other for whatever we have achieved, and let's be thankful for what we have and the kind of foundation, the kind of value system which Papa has left for us, and all the others who've been involved with Holistic Group in the past, who have left and created what they have created for us. We are really, truly blessed and honored, truly from the bottom of our heart, to be leading such a group, to be having such an amazing goodwill in the market, जहां लोग आपसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं rather than आपको छोड़ना चाहते हैं. आपके साथ वो बैंकर हो या वो कोई इन्वेस्टर हो या कोई आपके साथ टीम हो, people want to join you, people want to connect with you, and that's only because of what we have and what we have earned over the last 30 years. So we are here to stay. We are here for the long haul. We are starting to think कि किस लेवल पे जाके आईपीओ निकालेंगे या किस लेवल पे जाके ये करेंगे. हमारे डिस्कशंस तो वो स्ट्रेटेजिक लेवल पे चलते हैं आजकल कि हमारे को क्या करना है और कितनी क्विकली करना है, एंड हाउ डू वी कीप फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट वी हैव एंड अचीविंग ट्रूली रिमार्केबल, strong and big results. How quickly we can do that, keeping all our value system absolutely intact. So we are here, and teamwork will create magic. Let's create magic. Yeah, I'll end the session here. Anybody want to end or say anything, please? Thank you.
That all the directors are there only to serve you. So don't hesitate to reach out to them. No matter if the issue is big or small, it is our responsibility to be there and to support you and solve the problem for you guys. If most of the times people don't approach, they feel hesitant. So on this open platform, I'm making it very clear that all the directors, whoever it might be, kindly reach out to them. If you're stuck somewhere, if you need any advice, if you need any help, whether it's a personal issue or a professional issue. We are not doing justice to our roles. We are not doing justice to our position if you're not there to support you. We are there only to support you.
Always feel free. You are always welcome. Thank you.
Great, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, and let's create magic together. Let's make things happen. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Let's create magic together.